Okay, so yeah, looking at the breakdown here, we can see yesterday we had this huge push to the upside, exactly what we had said could happen, right? We have this trend line that's been going on here, right? This huge bullish trend line. Price bounced off right here and just went straight up towards all-time high. Exactly what we said could happen, just like it happened here, right? Price came down here, bounced off, and it went all the way up towards all-time high. So nearly repeated the same thing. And you can see here I put a fib, right? So price is already reacting to the fib, most likely could come down to this 50% retracement at least. That's why I was looking for sells, because yeah, we have London low here. This is lower than Asia low. Pretty much everything's lining up here. But yeah, it looks like the move is happening, unfortunately. If it does, I'm not going to chase it. It's fine. Hopefully we do get a pullback like this and then something like that. So we'll see. We'll wait. Usually does happen. So for now, I'll go ahead and put my buys just to have that ready. Let me put that in the chat. Looks like it is going to pull back a little bit. We'll see. You already know what I like to do is I like to wait for price to come back at least pull back 50% into the stop loss before I go ahead and enter. Again, that's what I do to get a clean pullback, as well as the copier. You know, I want to avoid issues with the copier. We have about, what do we have, like 10 seconds here. So let's see if it flips and gives us an entry. Halfway would be like around there, so let's see if it comes back around here, and I'll go ahead and enter it. Okay, there we go. Perfect, nice pullback. Okay, let's see how it reacts. See, again, that's exactly why I don't like to be in the move pre-market. Everyone who chased that move thinking it's happening already, look, as soon as the clock struck 9:30, it completely flipped. And this is straightforward here. I mean, we have London high, Asia high, New York high, lined up all with an hourly high. We did have, you know, like a downtrend kind of going on here. Trying to draw, yeah. From this point, I have something here. Okay, so I'm in the buys. Alright, cutting stops in half. Okay, go and break even. I'm actually going to close now just because I needed that for a payout. So I'm going to close there, close around 70 points. Got a payout yesterday from Tradeify. And this should be enough for what's it called, lucid trading. And again, we are pretty high up here, so that's why I did want to close early. You know, buy low, sell high. So when price is really high, do want to get out of it. But look, at least worst case, you would have been taking out break even here. But yeah, easy trade, done for the day. W in seconds. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, easy. That's how we do it every day. Same thing, same system. Show up to the charts, treat it simple, and that's it. Awesome, guys. So far, so good for the week. Nice today with moving the break even. Thanks a lot. Yeah, absolutely. You see the break even, definitely it's gonna help us a lot more. So nothing like that time where it just came back down and we just, you know, took half a loss or whatever. Again, rather this kind of trade, the fact that it had a hard time breaking, you see, it went up 70 points, had a hard time, completely reversed, came all the way like down here and then did it again. So at that point, it's like, it's having a hard time going up. So it's most likely, you know, going to keep going down. In this case, it did, you know, retest here and try to do it a little bit again. But we've seen this happen where price will go up like this, completely retrace, and then do something like this. So it's better to just be out of it instead. I'm starting taking only 70 points, gonna add up eventually. Fuck it. Yeah, for sure. Especially getting a little bit out of the one-to-ones. I know the one-to-ones, it can be annoying because it doesn't really fully add up, because when you lose, you have the fees, you know what I mean? And then a little bit of slippage. So it's not always a perfect one-to-one when you lose. So exactly, yeah. So definitely, yeah, a little bit, you know, between 60, 65, 70 points is definitely a nice sweet spot there. But awesome, guys. Well, easy day. We're done in seconds. What more can we ask for? Yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll be posting the trade recap soon. And thanks for joining. See you tomorrow. Later.